Hey, how's it going? You must be the queen of the castle?
Yeah.
Shake your hand, meet a friend. You heard of Bloomble?
No, it's not.
Yeah, they just upgraded like Beyonce. You got stung by a bee?
No.
You pretty swole. I'm just joking. But this we've been out here showing everybody. It's called Buzz. We backed by popular demand. You ever seen or heard of it?
No.
You play baseball?
Softball?
You got a pitcher?
Yeah.
Like Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid pitcher?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you grab a picture so I can show you? Because Stevie Wonder said seeing is believing. Because you got water, right?
Yeah.
How far you qualify to use it? You're going to mix it with water, not whiskey, okay?
Okay.
All right, just grab a picture. I'm going to see you around like a donut. Now, look, that's great. And you see right here, it's 240 milligrams of hemp extract. Now, we got the Buzz beverage in different flavors like Baskin Robbins. So you can pick from tropical punch or blue raspberry lemonade or grape. Which one you prefer?
Tropical punch.
Okay, have it your way like Burger King. Here you go.
Okay. Do it supposed to look like this?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to try this together.
Yeah, we're going to have a toast for the after effect.
It tastes just like Kool-Aid.
I told you. Stronger than the Holy Ghost, though. Watch when it kick in like a newborn baby. That's the killer part.
Can't be that strong.
346 minutes later.
Oh my God, you vacuuming grass? Oh yeah, you hired in a research monkey. I told you this stuff worked. You want one another one?
I'm doing it right now.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're gonna see you around like a donut. Remember, it's Buzz.
Okay.
Like Buzz Lightyear, Toy Story.
All right.